Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to review this charging case. It's compatible for AirPods Pro first and second generation. This is how it comes in the packaging. And it includes the AirPods charger. Here it is. It's like the case. It turn on, and it has this on the side that you can use for your keychain. It has the reset button, and it has the kind of the speakers and also the port where you will be charging this case. Okay, so this is what it includes in the packaging in the case, and it is fast charging. It is wireless. You can charge it through MagSafe, and you can pair your Bluetooth with this one. This is the comparison of the original and the one that we got sent out for review. As you can see, they're very similar, and it is charging right here, as you can see. So it is very good to have just a replacement in case that you run out of battery, or in case that you lose it. Sometimes it is very expensive to get a new one, so this one is great for a replacement or just for having a backup of this charging device to charge your AirPods Pro first and second generation.